Everyone, welcome to Agro Exploration. People can see we're inside our poultry, our elevation of chicken. So we're inside our 45 days old. You can imagine our chicken now, as how it is. So as I told you as how to fatten the chicken, people can see as how it is now. As I show you, I started showing you from the heating process up to this age. So if you have not seen the other videos as how we're heating it, or as how we're like bringing them out from the heating process, you can go and check in my last video. You will see as how we're heating. So now we're inside our fattening process, that we're fattening them such to sell it in the market, such to make money. So you should follow and like, subscribe, and for more, so that you will always see this guide to succeed your chicken very well and not to have die, and to succeed in good health. You can see our chicken is very healthy. So this morning I'll be like feeding them, and I'll be like showing you what I'm giving them now. The only thing now that you have to be giving them is a vitamin with antibiotic to be treating them, so as to keep them in good health. So now we're going to go and feed them now. So at this process like this, we're using the finisher. Their food at this process now is finisher. This is the back of it. This is the finisher. Finisher is the BBI. It's not more those small eye of that starter. Now is the BBI. So when you reach, you first make sure to move the copo inside it. Give them their food. So this morning we have come to give them their food, and I want to enlighten you more on this stage. When you reach this stage, it's not more difficult. Just start giving them their food. So you see, you can make money out of this, a lot of money, because you can take this one as your pastime to be like doing inside elevation of chicken. But while doing inside, you are going to your work. You can get up every morning, you just come and feed and go to your work. You see, you can invest in so many things in agriculture and in elevation of animals. So in agro exploration, we'll be teaching people so many things, so many theories, and as how to build your life in agriculture, and as how to make money in agriculture. Follow. If you even go on my page, you will see my formula as how to bring them up. The formula I use, how to bring them, to grow them up to this stage. So now at this stage, it's no more complicated. You have to be giving them early vitamin. Sometimes you give them antibiotic. Sometimes you can see if the excreta is already changing color, you can start giving them anti-cock in order to cut the bad excreta. So as I was fattening it now, we continue giving them food. So as I show you in the last video, the more as how they grow, that's how the more you give them space. You can see the space first started from there, but as how the measure they grow, we started adding them their space, as you guys see. So now I'll be showing you the way that we are giving their water. So for now, we are giving them but early vitamin, so that they should be eating well. So this is the vitamin that they are eating. They are taking animal total. So this is the vitamin. So you go to any shop. So 2 teaspoons in 110 liter. 2 teaspoons in 110 liter. So that's how we go, giving them the vitamin, cover it, make sure to tie very well and keep it back. Now we'll be putting the water in. Let's see how it is. You give them this vitamin, help them to eat very well, because if you don't give them vitamin, they will not be eating very well again. Make sure to rinse the drinker so as to from dirt. Now you give their water. So as this is the final stage, how to grow your chicken. Now you can sell it in the market, or you can supply it in different supermarkets. And people can see, guys, it was a success. So if you continue following my channel, continue sharing, you always learn so many things, because we still have a long way to go by teaching. You may not like farming, but you may like farming of animals. You may not like in other part of agriculture growing of fish. You may like growing of animals. You may like in poultry of piggery, or you may like this of chicken, or you may like this of ordinary agriculture or home agriculture. So there are so many things that we are going to be teaching you on this our channel. So always like, follow for more. As people can see, guys, when you give them their food, you make sure to also observe and make sure to give them white cocoa for their on their floor. Always make sure to put the white cocoa. Don't put the red cocoa. The red cocoa is not good for chicken. It kills them. It kills them. So make sure to always give by this white cocoa. This white cocoa permit them to, like, it's very soft and does not destroy the system. Why this red one destroy it? So as people can see, guys, it was a success. I can show you one. You can see how it is. Go see, guys. So if you want to succeed your chicken like that, follow my channel. Go on my YouTube channel. Follow, like, and subscribe for more. And if you don't see how we're hitting it, you can go on my last video. You will see how we're hitting this chicken. That's how they came in a carton like that. That's the carton that they came. That's the carton that they came inside. But now we hit it, we process it, and we make it. It should be like this. So you guys interested, you can like and follow for more. Thank you, and see you